Hello, I am Dave Padua with Quality Craftsmanship Construction, and welcome to Tip Time. Your tip for this week is a good tip. Have you ever had a small tiny screw that you're trying to put in place utilizing a screwdriver or a drill, and it just keeps falling off? It's not working for you. Well, here's a tip that'll make it work for you. I'm talking about painter's tape. You take the painter's tape and you put the screw through the tape like this. You're going to ensure that the sticky side goes towards the tool. You're going to place the screw onto the tool and secure it with the painter's tape onto your screwdriver like this. Now you're ready to screw the screw in. And that's your tip for this week. I am David Padua with Quality Craftsmanship Construction, signing off.